Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. The Health Education Foundation has arranged special classes on parts of speech, and today our lecture is the article. It can be included in parts of speech. The article. This is the just type of adjective. These are just one of adjectives. Okay, a for single subject, and for single things, or an in the definite article, it is for to specify something. These both are a or an are indefinite articles, and these are used before a single noun, and the is definite article going to specify something. Okay, use of a. A is used before beginning with consonants. For example, a boy, a girl, a hockey team. And keep remember, it is also used before such words as give the sound of consonants. Sound of consonant means U is sound here, so we use a, not an. A useful article. A European. Use of an. It is used before beginning of vowel sounds. A, E, A, U. A. These are consonant vowel sounds, and an is used before vowel sounds. An umbrella, an apple, an import, an honest man, an umbrella, etc. Okay, but keep remember, it is also used before sounds but consonant letters. Starts from consonant letters. How? An honest man. H is silent here, so we use an. An honest, because O sound is vowel sound. An honorable chief guest. An honorable chief guest. So it is used and before. Use of the. It is definite article. It is used to specify something. Before an single noun when it represents class. Thus, horse is a useful animal. The horse. Horse here is single noun, and the is used to represent whole class. Useful animal. When man represents the class, the is omitted, because we can't use the before man. Man is representing whole class, whole race. Man is mortal. Man is a social animal. With the name of certain well-known books, we will use the. How? The Holy Quran, the Dawn, the Bible, the Pakistan Times. Before well-known single objects in the universe. The sun, the earth, the sky, the universe, the morning star, the equator. Before the names of rivers. The Chenab, the river Ravi, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. Before a proper adjective when it stands for the people. The is used before a proper adjective when it stands for the people, not for the language of that nation or country. For example, the Pakistani people, the Chinese people, the English people, the British. But keep remember, English is an easy language, not for language. It means we will not place the before English language. Okay, before the is used before noun, we stand for a class. How? The navy, the army, the bar, the press. The is used before adjective, which is used as a noun. The poor are not always unhappy. The rich man looks down upon the poor. Before adjective, the is used before adjective in the superlative degree. Superlative degree means the tallest, the smallest, the highest, the lowest. it means you are using superlative degree, and superlative degree before it we will use the best. Why? Omission of articles, where we can't use articles. These are things we can't use articles before it, because it would be wrong for according to grammar. Omission of article, we can't use article before proper material or abstract noun. Proper noun, you know, Aslam, Amjad, Majid, and your name as well. Material noun, metal, gold, silver. Abstract noun relates to your feelings or emotions, sadness, happiness, Friday. These are abstract noun. Okay, we observe, for example, we observe Friday as a holiday. Friday is your proper noun. So it is, we can't use the. Okay, holiday. Aslam lived in Lahore. Aslam is your proper noun. You can't use the Aslam. Okay, lived in Lahore. Lahore is also proper noun. We can't use the or a or am. June. June is proper noun. We can't use, is the hottest month. Okay. Gold is your material noun. Gold is material noun, and you can't use the or an. Any article you can't use. Okay. Before plural noun, which denotes a class. How? Parrots, not parrot. Parrots talk. We can't use the or a or an, because these are plural. Parrots. Parrots talk, dogs bark, lions roar. These are plural nouns. We can't use any article before the names of science and arts. Mathematics is not a difficult subject. Chemistry is a useful subject. These are articles, and this is the omission of articles. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we have arranged further classes for your further topics. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.